Hello all, welcome to yet another wonderful episode of Gharpedia. Monsoon electrical safety. Over 30% of monsoon fires in India and a 20% rise in US electrical fires during storms highlight the global risk of rain-induced short circuits. Electrical safety during the monsoon season is crucial, as water and electricity are a deadly combination. So here we bring 19 safety tips for home electricity. Tip 1. Never turn on or off the switches with wet hands. According to the National Electrical Safety Foundation, over 30% of electrocutions in homes during the monsoon occur from operating switches with wet hands. Always dry your hands before touching any switchboard or appliance. Tip 2. Prevent dampness near electrical fixtures. Moisture can reduce insulation resistance by 50%, drastically increasing short circuit chances. Use weatherproof enclosures for outdoor sockets and seal internal leaks promptly. Tip 3. Keep windows near plug points closed during rain. 10 to 15% of home fires during the monsoon are caused by water seepage near electrical points. Seal gaps with silicone and avoid placing extension cords near windows. Tip 4. Switch off during thunderstorms and power surges. Lightning can cause a voltage surge of up to 1000 volts, even in cities. Switch off TVs, routers, computers, and fridges during thunderstorms. Tip 5. Unplug appliances after use. Standby electricity is not just wasteful, but can also cause sparks if wiring is wet. Don't just turn off the switch. Pull out the plug. Tip 6. Use proper wiring and certified appliances. 70% of fire accidents in Indian households are due to short circuits, often from substandard wires. Upgrade to ISI-marked wires and appliances. Tip 7. Avoid contact with electrical poles/wires. During floods, at least 20 to 25 deaths per year are due to contact with live wires in India. Teach children to never touch any pole or wire. Tip 8. Report electrical faults to authorities. Even a small spark or flickering light could be a sign of serious water-induced damage. Call emergency contact numbers of electricity boards in case of need. Tip 9. Hire licensed electricians. Many household fires are traced back to illegal or unqualified installations. Insist on proper licensing and receipts for accountability. Tip 10. Avoid illegal or temporary power connections. Slums or unauthorized setups face 4x the risk of monsoon electrical fires. Encourage proper legal hookups to protect lives and property. Tip 11. Be cautious on construction sites. Over 200 workers die annually in India due to electrocution, especially in wet, under-construction areas. Don't operate power tools in the rain. Wear rubber gloves and shoes. Tip 12. Use rubber mats or dry wooden platforms. Insulating surfaces like rubber mats can prevent electrocution at home or offices. Tip 13. Protect MCB and DB panels from rainwater. MCBs are critical in tripping circuits during faults, but water can disable them. Enclose them in waterproof boxes or cover with acrylic lids. Tip 14. Keep generators or inverters elevated. Install on platforms to avoid water contact. Grounded devices reduce shock risks. Tip 15. Do not overload power strips. Use only certified surge protectors and don't connect heavy appliances to extension cords. Tip 16. Watch for rodents chewing wires. Rats may chew wires more often. Use pest control and concealed wiring. Tip 17. Avoid tree branches near power lines. Rain makes tree branches conductive. Report or trim any that hang near wires. Tip 18. Don't throw waste or wires on live poles. Metallic wrappers, plastic, or wet cloths can short wires. Tip 19. Consider insurance for electrical damage. A good home insurance plan often covers short circuits and fire damages. Quick flash points.